Now this is a story all about how my whole night's work gets upside down. I like to take a minute, just sit right there. I'll tell you about life fixing factories everywhere. One breakdown, one breakdown. In industrial Tennessee, born and raised in electrical panels is where I spent my days. Checking proxies, changing motors, acting real cool. Teaching operators what they skipped in school. Then a little fault code started causing some pain. One little drive quit and stopped the whole chain. Supervisor yelled, go fix it, don't delay. I said, it's probably just another sensor anyway. Walked to the machine with my trusty flute. Found spaghetti wiring, man, what a look. Somebody before me said it works just fine. Meanwhile, neutral's tied to something that ain't mine. Now throw your meter in the air, wave your flashlight high. If you've ever chased a ghost fault that refused to die, from midnight till daylight, that's the maintenance life. Living off caffeine and a pocket knife. We're changing bearing, chasing leaks, pulling wire through the night. Everybody wants production, but nobody wired it right. If it ain't broke, they'll run it till it starts to smoke. Then they call maintenance saying, can you fix it, folks? In the evening, clocking in again. Already got a radio screaming from 10 different ends. The motor won't start, the conveyor quit. Get there and somebody forgot to hit reset. Another call comes over, PLC's gone bad. Open up the cabinet, batteries ain't half bad. Turns out somebody bumped the e-stop switch. Whole crew standing there like the software glitched. Then they say, hey Jeremy, come take a look. I asked what happened, well, nobody knows the book. Operator shrugs with the innocent grin. It just stopped working while holding the broken pin. Now throw your meter in the air, wave your flashlight high. If you've ever chased a ghost fault that refused to die, from midnight till daylight, that's the maintenance life. Living off caffeine and a pocket knife. We're changing bearings, chasing leaks, pulling wire through the night. Everybody wants production, but nobody wired it right. If it ain't broke, they'll run it till it starts to smoke. Then they call maintenance saying, can you fix it, folks? I seen 480 where 240 should have been found. Automotive fuses stuffed in places they ain't been. Bin rail hanging sideways, wire nuts in a tray. And somehow they all say, spin that way. Dust in the panels, thick as Tennessee clay. Compressed air blowing clouds halfway down the bay. By sunrise you're filthy from your boots to your hat. But somehow they still ask, can you fix one more after that? Truth is, I like troubleshooting electronic brains. PLCs and circuits get me using my gains. Give me logic diagrams, oscilloscopes too. Leave the 100 for conduit, pulls to somebody new. One day I'll have my own repair place running clean. Fixing boards on the bench like an electronics machine. Customers dropping off consoles, drives and boards instead of wrestling cable trays and breaker cords. Till then I'll keep my meter hanging by my side, trying to keep these old machines alive. Because every factory's got that one old beast, held together with hope and electrical grease. So if you hear a radio calling out your name, just remember, every plan is basically the same. Yeah. Grab your screwdriver, your meter and your pride. Maintenance keeps the whole world turning, one breakdown at a time. One breakdown. One breakdown. One breakdown. One breakdown.